Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. On behalf of Markaz Sahaba, the voice of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah, we present to you lesson number 2349 of our daily Naseehah and advice. Today, with the grace and mercy of Almighty Allah Jalla wala, we focus on the 4th of Shawwal. عن أبي أيوب الأنصاري رضي الله تعالى عنه قال, Sayyidina Abu Ayyub Ansari radiallahu anh, who's buried in Istanbul, he has one unique feature. When Mustafa Habibuna sallallahu alayhi wasallam arrived in central Medina, every Sahabi and companion wanted to host the Master sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Habibuna sallallahu alayhi wasallam informed them, leave the naqa, the she-camel, innaha ma'mura, it's commanded by Almighty Allah Jalla wala, and where it stops, that is where we will be staying. Hold and lo and behold, it stopped there at Abu Ayyub Ansari radiallahu anhu's house. And that is where Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wasallam stayed initially. He states, Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Man Sama Ramadan, whosoever kept the fast of Ramadan. It means all 30 fasts. Like this month was 30, the last Ramadan, so all 30. If it's 29, all 29. Thumma adba'u, thereafter, subsequently, adba'ahu bisittim min Shawwal. The person then follows it up with the 6 fasts of Shawwal. Kana kasawmi dahr, is like fasting the whole year. The hadith is authentic in Ibn Majah and mentioned in Sahih Muslim as well. Likewise, there's another hadith mentioned in Ibn Majah, and that is on Thawban, Mawla Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Habibuna Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wasallam liberated, emancipated 63 slaves in his Hayat Mubarakah, in his honorable life. So one of them was Thawban. He states, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam annahu qal, that the Master sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Man sama sittata ayyamin ba'd al-fitri, whosoever keeps 6 fasts after Eid al-Fitr, meaning in Shawwal, anytime, doesn't mean must be from the 2nd, 3rd, it can be any time in Shawwal, consecutively or intermittently, kana tamama sana, then that is equivalent to 1 whole year. Why? Man jaa bil hasanati falahu ashru amsalha, that whosoever does a good deed is multiplied times 10. So 30 fasts we kept, so remember that is 300. And then the 6 fasts we keep is 60. So 360 is the maximum amount of days you will get. In an Islamic calendar, if you say every month is 30, which will never really happen, so 12 times 30 will give you 360. So that is why it's so great to fast. However, having said all this, we should know 3-4 issues. Issue number 1, if the male or female, due to illness, due to traveling, you must out certain fasts. So first keep the qadha, then you worry and keep the Shawwal fast. Why? Because study the hadith again, Man sama Ramadan, who kept all the fasts of Ramadan. Summa comes for sequence and tartib. Thereafter, subsequently, he follows it up with the 6 fasts. So that's the first issue. Second issue, some people try and short-circuit the system. They say, for example, that tomorrow or next week, I'll keep 1 fast and I'll make intention of qadha and the fast of Shawwal. That is not permissible according to majority scholars. Some people keep the Shawwal fast first and then they say we'll see the qadha. That is like giving out our charity and not paying debts. Allah will not question us if we didn't keep the Shawwal fast, but Allah will surely question us regarding the mandatory compulsory fast. Therefore, life is all about priorities. Al-aham fal-aham. which means what is the most important, that is what we must practice upon and give preference. So let us inshallah keep our qada fast first, and then we worry about the Shawwal, and any time we can keep it in Shawwal. Allah Jalla wala grant us tawfiq. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.